So now how you understand what is registry key and what is a group policy. So we not need to know complete basic. We need to know at least what is at least regedit, how to open, how to see the values. If somebody asked like to check this registry key value, you need to know at least you need to go to this particular location, see the values. You do not change anything. The basic thing is you need to open and see the values. Is it clear what I'm saying to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. For registry keys, you will open regedit edit and then you can open this prompt. If it's a local GPU you want to play in your test machine, do not play on your machine. Okay, something if you are doing some other things and you cannot open anything sometimes. Better you open from your Windows, from your you install one Windows 10 VM, you play in this whatever you want, but not on your physical laptop. Clear? You can block run also. Opening run you can block it. Each and everything you can block it. Opening control panel also you can block it. Okay, you cannot open the control panel. There will be restriction, lot of restriction you cannot, you can do changing, you cannot change the wallpaper, you can do these restrictions. Okay, there are 2000 plus settings are available in the GPU, so you need to explore the things. Is it clear? So it's up to you how to manage the things. Okay, you need to learn, explore by yourself. No, so the basic things and all, it comes from the experience. No one will teaches you that basic GPU and all that and all. You need to put, you need to know, if you know GPU, from there you need to invest your time, 1 hour days, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, then you need to start practicing it. Okay, so the basic things, yeah, registry key services completed. Registry keys which are important, and gp edit.msc, that is also very important things which we covered. Local GPU, that is called gp edit, is a local GPU. Okay, group policy is from there you will pull, locally it will apply from remotely. Locally you want to check some settings, that is for GP edit. And one more good thing is like WBEM test. This is also one of the local software you need to open as run as administrator. Your system information will be present in this things. Is it clear? For example, your RAM information, your each and every information will be saved in this. This you can open from a command prompt or a PowerShell using a some other commandlets. For example, if you want to see, I given few services related to WMI in the document. Okay, I will update. If you see WMI commandlets, if you want to get your OS information, what is your OS version, you will get WMI get C. Or your laptop model, what is your information, each and everything can be fetched here. You can type WMIC OS get name, then you will get your operating system name. If you want to get the RAM information, you want to get your each and everything, get the system RAM from WMI. You will have an option somewhere. See, WMIC memory chip get blank label, some capacity speed. There is a command for RAM. For each and everything, there is a some specific WMI command that will be there. If you run those particular things, then you will get the RAM information, hard disk information, whatever you see on the laptop, physical information, like hard disk, CD-ROM, each and every information can be pulled from a WMI. Is it clear? Is it clear what I'm saying to you? See a WMIC memory chip speed, whether it's working or not, is different. So you need to go to there and run whatever you want, paste and see. See, you got your RAM speed is 1600 bus speed. Okay, and it has a bank channel to capacity is it's given in the bytes. It's my 8 GB of RAM capacity. This is my RAM. If you want to hard disk information, how much hard disk you have, you can type get the hard disk information from WMI. You will get one of the command prompt somewhere. Why we need to search is like sometimes from SCCM you need to query hundreds of machines so that you will write this query in WMI. You will write this WMIC disk space type model. So you will get your hard disk information here. Sorry, it's not copied. Copy, enter. So you're getting your hard disk. My hard disk name is Toshiba. Okay. Then it's a 500 GB of hard disk. What is your serial number of your hard disk? You get the serial number. I want to get my laptop model number and serial number. Laptop model number from WMI. So WMIC product get name copy. So you need to know at least the it's not copied. Copy CLS. Its version is 20157. That is the serial number. If you get the model number, laptop model, this is coming a serial number. Okay, laptop. So if you want other information, see you can put C product slash question mark. You will get lot of information. You get the name, vendor information, version information. So what you need to do and get version. Lenovo. What is my physical laptop model? Lenovo G580. Vendor. Lenovo. Is it clear? So each and every hardware information can be pulled using a WMI. That is stored in the WBEM folder. If you go to open type WBM, it is redirecting to a WBM. So your information will be stored in the repository folder, means the object.data. Your complete system information will be stored under this object data. Is it clear? You're graphically manually pulling using a WMI command. But if you want to open, that is a WBM test where you will see the root simv2. This is completely a backend concept. Okay. There, if you work for 5 plus 4 plus years of experience only, you will get this knowledge. If not, you cannot get it. Am I clear? What I'm saying to you? This, when you work for at least 3 years, 4 years plus in a real time, then you will get to know all these things. But it's very confusing for your day one. But at least you see once and forget. మీరు ఒకసారి చూసి then you can leave about these topics. You no need to by heart these things. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is to just to know the information. It's there. Okay. Then you can recollect after 2 years or after joining to any company. So it will not help initially. That will help, but you could not get a chance to work on all the things. But you has to work. If you are L1, L2, you need to do some troubleshoot. This is like advanced troubleshooting where L2 and L3, L4 team will do. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
So coping the classes and all, it will take some time. Okay. At least you need to open and see, connect. That's it. What you want to do. If you have any query, you can run the query. Same way, you have some queries like here, you can also run select star from and you need to apply so that information can be seen. But that is not important to connect and do it with the things. But something if you troubleshoot somebody suggested any blog, you want to go to WMI test, then that at the time it is very easy where to go and how to connect it. Is it clear? In
Yes, sir,
advanced
clear.
troubleshooting, in advanced troubleshooting or some troubleshooting with Microsoft, they will ask you to open this and see some of the values. So that is the things. So you do not understand at this point, okay, but you need to know the names. At least know these names of what we are discussing and leave it, okay. You do not do the practice, that is not much important now. Clear?
Yeah.
Just for the information, it's like a movie, you can remember it and ignore it whenever you want. You can recollect it the later point of time based upon the troubleshooting. Is it clear? So these are the things which are very important for the WMI also, which plays very vital role, because no, each and every hardware information are stored. OS information also is stored in registry keys. So these are the system level components which we need to know when we are in L2 or L3 to troubleshoot some advanced troubleshooting. Clear? Okay, let me close all the things. So this is about GP edit which is completed. So WMI which is completed, how to connect and all. The scripting, if you want scripting, generally what I told you, know, Win word. Generally in the if you talk about scripting, in general we have like a scripting languages like either a batch script. We'll see the scripts like a batch script. It's nothing but a extension is .bat. So it's a VB script also will be available. VB script. Then it's outdated and now PowerShell. So what is the difference? All are perform automations. If you want to do manual task, automatic task can be done. Output would be .ps1. Means not output, the extension. For VB script .vbs. These are the scripts. Maybe if we want to automate the things, then you can need to create either batch script or VB script or PowerShell script. That is PS1. So that's what we morning we discussed, right? The commands, whatever you run in the commands, no, that is called a batch script. If you want to opening PowerShell script, that is a PowerShell script. We have done some PowerShell scripts, right? Creating a multiple users. So at least you need to know what is the basics of PowerShell. That would be fine. You need to know into. I know some basics, so I can edit a query and execute it. At least you need to say that one-liner answer. I do not know how to create a script, but whatever the script which are existing in my organization, I can see it and I can execute based upon my requirement. Is it clear? We are not a PowerShell developers, but we need to know if we have one script, how to execute, you need to know. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, no. Services registry is completed. Windows 10 troubleshooting. Yeah, these two left over. Is it clear? Yes or no? It will be some